Hello kids! Today we know about colors and shapes. Pink color, orange color, green color, blue color, green color, brown color, red color, yellow color, pink color, black color, blue color. What is this circle shape? What is this shape? Oval shape. What is this heart shape? What is this hexagon shape? What is this octagon shape? What is this diamond shape? What is this square shape? What is this triangle shape? What is this rectangle shape? What is this arrow shape? What is this star shape? Let's start. Circle.
We are shapes. You can see us everywhere.
Oval.
I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides.
Heart shape.
I'm a square. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle round and round.
Hexagon.
I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three
Octagon.
sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a square.
Diamond shape.
Square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides. I'm a square. I'm a
Square shape.
I'm a circle, I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle
Triangle shape.
and round. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. We are
Rectangle shape.
shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides. I'm a square.
Arrow shape.
I'm a square. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a
Star shape.
circle round and round.
Now we color all the shapes.
Triangle, I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle.
Red color.
We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. You can see us everywhere. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have
Red color in the shape is circle. Orange color in the shape is oval.
I'm a circle
Blue color in the shape is heart.
round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle round and round. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. We are shapes. You can see us
Hexagon shape and the color is green. The color is red and the shape is diamond.
Shapes, you can see us everywhere. I'm a square, you can see me everywhere. I have four sides.
Orange color and the shape is triangle.
I'm a circle, I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle, round and round. I'm a triangle.
Blue color and the shape is rectangle.
Pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I have three sides. I'm a triangle.
Circle,
We are shapes. You can see us everywhere.
oval,
I'm a square. You can see me
heart,
everywhere. I have four sides. I'm a square.
hexagon,
I'm a square. I'm a circle. I go round
octagon,
and round. I have only one side.
diamond,
I'm a circle, round and round. I'm a triangle.
square,
I'm a pointy little shape.
triangle,
Have three sides. I'm a
rectangle,
triangle. We are shapes.
arrow,
Can see us everywhere. I'm a square.
star.
You can see me everywhere.
Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching. I love kids so much.